Hey, taking care of household laundry can be an overwhelming process if you let it pile up and take over your life. Especially with 3 kids, school, sports, and work, these laundry organization tips just may help ease this chore and make your life a little bit easier. When life gets crazy, going here, going there, family time is precious, doing household chores can be overwhelming and quite frankly just not that much fun. So here are 6 great ways to organize your laundry duties. Number 1, teach your kids how to do their own laundry. Imagine that. You can assign 1 day of the week for each to gather their laundry and get it done, including stripping their bed. Your kids are going to thank you when they get off on their own, and their wives and husbands will thank you too. Number 2, color code each kid's towels and sheets. It's going to make it easy to know where they go and whose they are. Number 3, keep a mesh bag in every laundry basket and have them put their socks and underwear in the bags. You won't have to worry about pairing the socks and figuring out who's whose and trying to figure out why the sock monster gobbled them up. Number 4, use laundry sorting bins if you like to do whites and colors separately, which most do. Number 5, make sure your laundry room is well organized and equipped. Having a trash can for lint is essential. Make it fun by adding a penny jar for loose change. And number 6, keep extra hangers in the laundry room for hanging clothes right out of the dryer and prevent having to do ironing. No one likes to iron, it's just not that much fun. Well, that's my tip, and I hope it helps you keep your laundry and your sanity in place and makes your chores a little bit easier. Give me a call if I can help you with a pre-approval or refinance. We'll make that easy too, and have a great day.